So let's say you're trying to enter in a new vendor and you get this pesky error coming up that says another vendor with this number already exists. So the likelihood is that you brought in your vendors, customers, or whatever it may be through an import, and your numbering sequence does not automatically update to reflect that you've brought in that number of vendors or customers or whatever it may be. So to fix this, what you do is go to Company. Under the Setup tab, click on your document sequences and find the one that you're having the error with. So in my case, it was my vendor. And you're going to edit on the numbering sequence itself. Obviously, you'll have to check your numbering sequence and see what your next unused is. And my next unused is going to be 181. I'm going to update that. And then once I go back to my vendors, if I go to add, and I don't recommend that you only put in the name, but that's what I'm going to do just for the purposes of this video. And this time it's going to work. So that is how you would fix that error. When that pops up, it's just down to your numbering sequence. And we see this come up a lot. So I thought this would be a helpful video. As always, like and subscribe. Check out our YouTube for some more videos on Sage Intacct Construction.